Hello guys, this is Daria from Kaya Academy. Welcome to this video. So today we're gonna go with Fraksl, but be aware there's epilepsy warning. This app might, turn them on or something. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna be creating our own art. But yes, it's like psychedelic things. You might be like, but don't worry, it's all good, it's all cool. Of course you can think that this is the art that you are creating, because every touch you make, everything you do is changing it, right? So but of course there's a software behind it. You have to think about that one too. I think we can start now, so let's go. It's kind of getting you in, isn't it? I mean, it's making me dizzy a bit. Okay. Let's see what we actually have. Well, I don't know. Now it's better that I can get to rest my eyes a bit. But I liked it. But my eyes. Why? Why did it happen like this? I don't understand. So, ooh. Wow. Look at the trees. Let's try to find out what's more there in this app. Then we can share it. I believe. Let's see, what is this? So we have the classic. We have the chroma, but these ones we don't have. We can make it like mirror. We can make it like, okay, motion smoothing. We can, okay. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Guys, it's taking your mind. It's mind-blowing in some type of way. So let's see. From here, from the information icon, we can get some information such as navigation. Drag with one finger over the screen to move the wheel. Rotate with two fingers to rotate the wheel. Pinch. So as you can see, it's just giving information the way I do. Camera. We have the camera effect, but it's for pro. Or you can reset the views. We have effects menu. As we just opened from here, we have the settings menu. There is some sensitivity, of course. From here we can, like, warning. We have a warning: high resolutions may cause instability. Okay, let's go like with 50 still. Resolution should be very high. Okay, it's good. So motion controls. You can also video record, but I'm not gonna do that. Let's go to effects again. I'm gonna go with classic, but I want to start over. Yes. Ah, I think you should not give this app to any kids, if you ask me, because it's kind of affecting me. I don't know why, but just gave me some. My eyes are just. I don't know, guys. You can see something wrong with my eyes. I don't know. This thing was. So we can close this app from this button right down, next to this. We have restarting. We can start from the beginning. We can close this app with the, with this one that's about the trash can icon. We can share what we do with our friends. You see, when I say Allah, I'll say Allah. But when I say, since I don't have WhatsApp uploaded, it doesn't show. But if you would have, you can. You can, recording. Let's record. Okay, we have recorded it. So this is how it works pretty much. But I think if you think this can make your eyes, like, it's a different experience, if you ask me. I mean, you're creating an art. There's an art, of course, but this art might, affect you in a bad way. And if it does, I think it's not worth it. But okay, I'm just gonna keep using it. So I will see what else I can do more, and it's going to be easier if you're using a phone, actually, because I'm using my computer, and you will be able to, do everything you want with your fingers, but I don't have that option. I can only remote it with my mouse. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any questions, it makes me sleepy. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit the like button, or don't forget to subscribe to my channel. What? Oh, okay. You have subscribed already. Okay. Just reminding, maybe in case of you forgot or something like that. Because I'd like to see you guys in my next videos, Because I know you guys want to see my next videos, so see you guys in my next videos.